Okay, here we go. We're going to use some Tannerite. So you take the empty container they give you. You pour in. This is a ½ pound. You pour in the white granules. Looks like detergent, laundry detergent. You add the packet. It's going to say right here on the packet, catalyst ½ pound. Make sure you're using the ½ pound, not the quarter. Tear it open. Let's get our Leatherman and quit messing around with the foil bag. Pour in your catalyst. Shake it up. Pour it back in the original container. Oh yeah. If we can get it all to fit. There we go. How about use the correct lid? That lid back on there. Throw this away. Alright, there we go. There's our Tannerite.